Dada.
Hi, Alyssa. What are you doing?
I'm flying.
You're flying
Yeah.
and then landing and then flying and then landing and flying and landing. Is this also the good exercise you're doing after drinking some water?
What? I'm gonna wait.
Wow. Super big leaping.
Yeah. I've been working on that inside with a baby.
Oh. Well, you know, when you want to do something well, you have to work at it, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And whee!
Great. Good flying.
That was a jump.
Oh, that was jump. Okay.
That was a really big jump. One saw a spider this big.
That big? Oh, that's very big.
Kidding.
Okay.
Knock.
Who's there?
Nobody.
Nobody who?
You don't have to enter the door. Are you glad you don't have to enter the door?
Yes.
Why are you not glad?
I am glad.
Why are you glad?
Because nobody's there.
And you don't have to get up and answer.
Right. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Who?
Who?
Oh, are you an owl?
No.
No.
Knock.
Who's there?
Who?
Who?
Knock.
Who's there?
Woo.
Who?
Are you? You're an owl in the house. Get up on the fan.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
You.
You who?
Yes?
No.
Were you calling me? You who? Yes?
Knock.
Who's there?
Cow.
Cow who?
Oh, don't that. It's a joke.
Okay. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting cow.
And
Moo!